What's up, y'all? It's your boy Tennis back with another video, man. Today we're gonna take a ride up in the C-10, man. Y'all gonna ride with me too. So check this out. Yeah, we got the C-10 out. Sorry about the ring cameras. But I ought to put the mufflers on there now so we can ride now. Cause like I say, it been too loud for me to ride. So yeah, we're gonna ride up to the auto parts store, man. I gotta go up here and get some new windshield wipers for it. And new windshield wipers, and I gotta get a brake line, for the passenger side. I gotta get a passenger side brake line. So we're gonna ride up to the auto parts store. Nigga, check it out. Yeah, got that. But we're gonna take it up there and let them see it also, cause man, they've been the ones that helped me get everything right for it. So we're gonna go up there and let them check it out. Give it a little gas.
Your feet relieve your pain and precaution dilemma. Stop by.
All right. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, get that heat going, and I'm gonna mount y'all up in the window, let y'all come on with me. All right, y'all, we in it, baby. We in it, we're gonna take it for a spin. I got the heat on. Yes, sir, we in it now, let's roll. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, we rolling. I can't be going too fast. I get them brakes. Trying to blow out too. Yeah, them brakes, I need them brakes real bad. So far, so good. She ain't been on the road in 8 years, y'all. It's like a whistling up in here. When I match the brakes, y'all, they want to pull to the driver's side. I need a brake line for that side, y'all. And this doggone heat about to run me up out of here. That heat work good. First time in 8 years on the road, y'all. She doing pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna get that new carburetor. And cause right now she running real rich. Yes, sir. We're gonna get it right though. We're gonna get all the, oh, look at this dude. We're gonna get all the bugs out of it. Yeah, she wanna pull to the driver's side real bad. Yeah, she really need them brakes, y'all. We just gonna take it easy with it. I got everybody looking, man. The guy just walked out, he looking at it, checking it out. Turn signals work. Oh yeah, that motor's still strong. Yes, sir. She just cut off, y'all. Hold on. Oh, she cutting off. Well, at least she cut off at the auto parts though. I think when I give it too much gas, I don't know what it is. I don't know if she's flooding out or what. All right, we here, y'all. All right, yo, we done made up to the auto parts store. She ain't do bad. She just cut off when I got back there to the back. But I can smell the brakes. I can smell the brakes. I don't know, one of them stuck. Probably one of them probably stuck. Yeah, she probably stuck. But we're gonna get these parts and take it back to the house. But I wanted to ride and show y'all what's going on. What's happening, boss?
You're not good.
Guess what I got today?
What? Oh, I see it?
Yeah.
I was wondering who that was.
She back on the road now. I appreciate y'all.
No problem.
I came up here for something. Oh yeah. Boy, where you had it? He look different with that hat on. Now I need some windshield wipers for it and brake line. A brake line for the passenger side.
What year is that? 80?
83.
83.
Yes, sir.
You doing right today, buddy?
I'm driving my truck now, babe. I'm real happy now.
Right.
Yeah. But now that brake sticking.
What brand wiper blades do you want?
You ain't gotta get no expensive. What's the cheap one here? You ain't gotta get expensive with
The
it.
rain guards.
Yeah, that'd be fine. I ain't gonna be out there like that, innit? I'll get back with y'all in a second, y'all. Alright, what you say now?
Ain't got it.
Y'all ain't got it.
Ain't got it. I have to order it.
I'm starting to think y'all don't like me up here, man.
We try, we try.
So if you order, how long it takes for it to get here?
Get the 5, what is it, small block in it?
Yeah.
Tomorrow at 7:30.
Tomorrow 7:30?
Yeah.
How much is it?
$30.
All right, they'll get it. No, I never had stuff I need to stock, y'all. I think they know I'm coming, so they're gonna hide it from me. I might be coming to get a carburetor too. What carburetor y'all got in stock? Oh look, y'all, they got a carburetor for $6 or $7. Let me get that one. I done seen it now. What that say? Yeah, another play. Don't worry about all that. Look at that. Huh? Yeah, he got me. He made it possible. Look at it. Yeah. You got me right, man. I'll put what I put on there. Now I need that brake. Now I need that left side brake. When you're mashing the brake, you want to pull it to this side. We couldn't bleed it. So I think it's clogged up or something, so we're gonna get a new brake line for it. But she rolling now though. That's the first matter of fact, this is the first time I've been on the road in 8 years. 8 years. So I just put the pipe in there yesterday. And there's another thing I gotta get another actuator too. Oh yeah, let's see. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take that door off. It's something that's catching it, getting it stuck. Like I say, she running reed. I gotta get a carburetor for it too. That carburetor, like it's sticking. You do that little screw and then screw it down. That's like one even. That won't even shut off. I got the factory rims at the house, and I got the 24s I had on there at the house still. I might put the rims on later on. I need to get the old belt too. I'm gonna redo everything right now. What I'm doing, I'm gonna do it like a shop truck type of thing for right now. And then about 2 years, I'm gonna come back and just take out the frame and redo everything. Yep. It needs to be started back up, but it works. The guy I bought it from got an AC shop. So he put all that stuff in there and everything. See y'all next time, bro, man. Appreciate everything too. Alright, y'all, got my wiper blades and ordered my brake line. It'll be in tomorrow. And I want to order that carburetor, but I think I'm gonna go with EFI. Comment down below if y'all know anything about them EFI Ace kill shots. I like those Ace kill shots. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Let me know if y'all got one. Let me know how it work out. A lot of people say it's pretty good though, so. And I gotta put another actuator on this though. I'll take this handle. This sucker's catching something. But let's ride back to the house, man. Then I'ma shit y'all off, bro. Oh man. Man, first time 8 years, but on the street. Like I say, that brake was sticking to y'all. When I pulled into the parking lot, I don't know if I revved it up. Well, I gave it too much gas. I don't know. It shut off. It shut off on me. Chrome back up though. But I'm thinking it's the carburetor. Like I said, I need a new carburetor on here. So I'm just gonna ease onto the house, take it easy, and that's just about it. It's like a little quick video. I just want to take y'all a ride with me for the first time on the street. And hopefully I got more things coming. More things coming. I'm gonna do like a whole little series on this trail, all kind of stuff in here. But anyway, I know I'm rambling on. I'm just trying to think of what I want to tell y'all as far as what else I got for it. But I still gotta put the factors back on there, the factory tires. So we got a lot of things to do, y'all. Y'all just stick with me though. See y'all once we get to the house. Yes, sir. Yeah, as long as I drive it kind of slow and feel pretty good. Like I said, it's just a carburetor. Something simple. And that brake line. And we'll be right. She sounds good. My old seatbelt on. Yeah, y'all, she running pretty good. Like I say, she real rich. That carburetor need to be swapped out ASAP. I may go back tomorrow and just order the carburetor, or go online and order the carburetor for it. But I ain't trying to be shutting down and cutting off and stuff on me. So yes, sir, we gotta take care of that, and that way we can really enjoy it then. Man, it feel good to have this thing on the road. Y'all don't even know. Alright, y'all, made it back to the crib, man. That was a little quick video of me riding around on the street for the first time, and took y'all along with me and everything. Grabbed a few little parts. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the build, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I got some more things coming. Yeah, I got some big things coming. Not only with just this truck, but with my Grom, my 2500, my Ram. I got stuff planned for my Ram. So gonna be a lot of car content coming to y'all soon. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Tina's out.